Open your web browser. Open web page. SolisInverters.com. Click Monitoring and Service and Support menu to get access to SolisCloud monitoring platform. Or you can directly open web page SolisCloud.com. Click Sign Up Now at the lower right section. Enter the registration page. Click Registered Organization. Enter the name of your organization. Receive the verification code in the email. Enter the username and password. Click to read our user privacy agreement. Check I have read and agreed user privacy agreement. Click Register. Then the registration process is finished, and you can enter the monitoring platform. Click Add Plant. Enter the name of your plant, PV array capacity, location, earnings information, etc. Enter the SN of data logger to bind it. Click Create Plant to successfully add that plant into the platform. End of instruction. Thanks for watching. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.